Welcome back to my channel, and we have another what's for dinner. So this night I was gonna have tacos, but I realized we didn't have any lettuce when I was already cooking them. So I could not have my tacos without lettuce, so I decided to make taco naan pizzas and use up the rest of the naan breads. So I added in a pound of ground turkey, some taco seasoning, and then some ranch seasoning, and this just adds so much flavor. I highly recommend adding the ranch. And then I just cooked all that up. I got out my naan breads, and then I used salsa for the sauce on the top of the pizzas. And then I just added the cooked ground turkey on top and some cheese. Then I put it in the air fryer for around 6 minutes and let that cook up, and it was so good. And here I added some avocado on top as well as some plain Greek yogurt, but you could add any taco toppings that you like on top of this. And these were definitely a hit. I would definitely make these again. So then the next night we had sausages and sweet potatoes. So I cut up 2 sweet potatoes, I peeled, diced, the usual, and I was going to make these on the barbecue, but I started to barbecue and there was no propane, so I had to move to plan B and just put them in the oven, but they were so good in the oven too, so it all worked out in the end. Here I'm just placing the cut up ones in tinfoil packages that I was planning to put on the barbecue. So then I added some onion in there. This is one of my favorite meals. I just love the medley of flavors and textures that come along with this. And I do like my onions cut up bigger, but you can definitely dice them up smaller or not use them if you're someone who doesn't like onions. Then I added these frozen vegetables. These were so easy because I have been buying a lot of frozen vegetables and fruit lately because we are back and forth from houses, so this ensures that our fruits and vegetables don't go bad, and this turned out really good. So I added some olive oil on there, salt, pepper, and Lowry's, and some garlic seasoning, and then I just wrapped them up and then planned to put those on the barbecue, but again the propane was out, so I ended up just putting these foil packages right in the oven on the rack, and it worked out just fine. And then along with those we had these sausages from Costco, and they came in a pack of 2. I think my last what's for dinner I made the other pack, but these were so good. I highly recommend trying them. The flavor was amazing in them, so I really liked those sausages. This was just such an easy, healthy meal, and definitely a favorite of mine. So yummy. And this night I went to Costco that day, so I had the creamy dill pickle salad. I'll link my Costco haul above, but I got this and a rotisserie chicken, and then just made some chicken salad for my dinner. You can also put this in a wrap if you are someone who likes those added carbs, and I've done that before too, and it was really good. So you could either just eat the salad like this with the chicken or use a wrap, but this is again a really easy dinner that is relatively healthy and great for those busy nights. And then this night I made chicken burrito bowls. These were also really good and kind of like a last minute thing because I didn't really know what to make for dinner, so I just added 2 chicken breasts in the Instant Pot with some salsa and taco seasoning and some chicken broth just to make sure that they didn't stick to the bottom. And then I cooked those for 15 minutes and then I just let it slow release fully because I find that makes it easier to shred in the Instant Pot. If you just let the pressure out right away, I find they're a little bit tougher, so I just let it fully release and then I shredded it up. Then I used this cilantro and lime flavored rice and I just microwaved that and then I put it in the bottom of my bowl. The lime flavoring on this rice was really good and I love lime, so I was really into it. And then you can just add whatever else you want on top. I added lettuce, avocado, and then the chicken, and for the sauce I made this ranch dip with Greek yogurt and ranch powder, and then I just mixed that in, and I also added a little bit of buffalo sauce in there just to add a little bit of heat. And this was just a good, quick, easy, healthy meal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.